Alright guys, let's make a French press in Blender. Add a reference image and add a cylinder. Make some loop cut to match the shape and now add a plane. Rotate it a little bit and make sure that the build tool is able. Now select the plane, the cylinder and press Ctrl number pad minus. Now select the plane and apply a solidify modify. Apply it and apply a bow tool. Delete the plane and delete also the top vertex. Add one subdiv and one solidify. Bevel some edge and extrude it. For the rest of the shape guys, just apply all what I showed you earlier. I believe in you, I know you can do that. For this shape, add the cube and some loop cut to match. Now extrude the face. Enable a bird factory and add a bird. Change the byte type to Phillips. Move it right here, duplicate it, right click and change the ball. Change the model to knot and move it. For the last shape, add the cylinder, scale it on Z axis and make some extrusion to match. Now apply a nice material and that's it. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.